Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 444 East Lake Road on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular Canandaigua Lake dream getaway with ultimate charm and 100 feet of waterfront paradise.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is updated open waterfront living, keeping in character with that vintage cottage charm. Featuring a spectacular great room with a granite kitchen with gorgeous cabinetry, a Blanco sink, and a center island breakfast bar. Open to the cathedral ceiling living area with a rustic wood-burning stove with a stone surround and tongue and groove pine walls. Leading to the best seat in the house, a cathedral ceiling dining area with a palladium window and a wall of windows, all with beautiful hardwood floors, deck access, and breathtaking lake views. The main house also features a charming entryway and an updated powder room, leading to the upstairs with a primary suite with a cathedral ceiling bedroom with beautiful hardwood floors, a sitting area, and an adjacent full bathroom. Imagine waking up overlooking the lake.
The excitement continues with a separate but adjacent two-bedroom cottage. With soaring 12-foot wood cathedral ceilings, great for your family and guests. The lake views from this cottage deck are breathtaking. The quality craftsmanship, for example, the beautiful board and batten siding, expansive decking. Wow, this is just beautiful.
Enjoy entertaining on multiple decks surrounded in nature, with all different scenic vantage points of the lake. Take extra time to enjoy the waterfront viewing deck with panorama views. It's time to enjoy the beach and entertain right on the water with 100 feet of pristine waterfront with an expansive beach area with a break wall, a shale beach area, and a permanent dock with a boat station and sunbathing area. Perfect for enjoying that lake lifestyle.
This property has spectacular panoramic lake views with million-dollar views to the south, billion-dollar views to the west, and trillion-dollar views to the north. Wow, this is just amazing. This waterfront property has a rare and premier location with great privacy on the east side of Canandaigua Lake with the afternoon sun and spectacular sunsets. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 444 East Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.